Hi everybody, it's Wayne from the Prop program. Today I just wanted to quickly give a short tutorial on how to get your freshly cleaned or replacement mouthpiece ventilation circuit back into the mouthpiece ventilation holder. Now the big problem is that this flexi arm often gets moved around quite a bit, and the outer diameter of the tube is the same as the inner diameter of the arm. So when they work together, they work great. There's not a lot of room, not a lot of play in there. But you can imagine as you try and push it through, it's not going to go because these pieces are not lined up correctly. So first thing we need to do is go through each piece of this lock line and make sure it's somewhat straight. It doesn't have to be perfect, but somewhat straight. So let's do that first. Okay, so as you can see, my arm is not straight, but what happens is each individual piece is fairly straight, so when we put the tube through, it should fit quite nicely. So let's go ahead and start inserting this into the bottom of the lock line. I got one that's not straight there. Okay, we'll start inserting. You'll probably get about a foot, and then you're going to hit a block, just because some of those are just off, just enough to block the tube. So what we need to do is twist the circuit as we're pushing it in, and it'll get it past those joints that are just a little bit off. So we'll slowly insert, and if you do find there's a point where it just won't go in anymore, look back over the connections. There's probably one that's quite a bit off. Just fix that and then continue pushing it through. So you see it didn't take very long at all. The tube's now through. You can go ahead and connect your mouthpiece ventilation parts, whether that's the straw or the angled mouthpiece ventilation, and then pull the tube back through so it's nice and tight. Remount that back onto your chair and you're ready to go.